Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is for you if you want to open BIOS setting in HP laptop and you are wondering how to open it. So just quickly tell you how we can open it. So just see I have powered in off and I am powering on, and once you power in on you have to press F10. So here you are in on the main screen. So you have to go on not on security, you have to go on system configuration tab with the help of this up and down, left and right keys, and then you have to go on virtualization technology. Currently it is disabled, so it is, if you see, it says that hardware virtualization enable a process feature for running multiple simultaneously virtual machine, allowing specialized software application to run in full isolation of each other. So this we need to enable it. We have to enter it, and then with the help of this key enable, now it is enabled. Virtualization technology is enabled. Now for save and exit I have to press F10. So I will press here F10. Go on control panel, go to uninstall a program, then go to turn Windows features on or off.